Teach Me TV is back again with an awesome video for you today. If you're new to the channel, we want to say hello. And if you're a loyal subscriber that has been a part of the Teach Me TV family, we also want to say thank you for helping us to keep growing. We don't take any of it for granted. Now in this video, we will be talking about, if you haven't guessed already, how to make money. We all can use a little more. Inflation is a real thing. Now by the end of this video, we are going to see if we can create a simple business from scratch and use this platform that we are going to talk about today. Use this particular platform to make money. This app does all the marketing for you. All you have to do is bring your talent to the marketplace. It's that simple. Does all this sound obtainable to you? If so, you're in the right place. Are you ready? Then let's go. Now you might be thinking, what could you do right now to make some quick cash? Have you ever thought about making money in your neighborhood? I can hear the objections now. I don't talk to my neighbors. I live in a not so great neighborhood. I'm not good at stuff. I don't have any service to offer. We suggest you stop that way of thinking right now. That right there is what is holding you back. Put those excuses behind you. We can't do this for you. We are here to inform you how and where you can start if you haven't started already. Remember, this is how the rich stay rich. They don't just have one stream of income, there are several streams, all working together to create the bottom line. Cold, hard, cash. Here it is. The app is called Nextdoor. This company has been around since 2019. Yeah, not that long ago, but this company is already in 11 countries, 300,000 neighborhoods globally, 1 in 3 US households, 55 million business recommendations from neighbors. So if you think about this seriously, this is a great place that you can start. Or add another income stream for your business. If you remember the old saying, word of mouth is the best form of marketing you can get. If people think of your business when the service you provide is needed, your business will go very far. This holds with the app simply being that the neighbors, customers spread the word about your professionalism and good work. One job can easily turn into 2, 4, 8, 12. Your earning potential is limitless. Isn't that what it's all about? Imagine not having a cap on what you can earn and when you could earn it.
Well, this is a big one. It's mine. Take it.
Neighbors around the world turn to Nextdoor daily to receive trusted information, give and get help, get things done, and build real-world connections with those nearby, neighbors, businesses, and public services. They believe connecting with others is a universal human need. That truth, and the reality that neighborhoods are among the most important communities in our lives, have been guiding principles for Nextdoor since the beginning. Turning neighbors into customers. Here is a list of benefits to using this app on your phone to earn if you run a small business and are thinking about giving this a try. 1. Create an online presence with business pages. 2. Engage neighbors locally with business posts. 3. Grow their businesses with ads. 4. Reach real neighbors based on their interests and location. 5. Engage neighbors when and where it matters most. 6. Convert more neighbors into customers. Nextdoor has a for sale and free section for users to buy, sell, or give away items. Remember, the marketplace is based on geographic location and no payments take place on the app, which means you control your money and how you get paid for your services. Since Nextdoor is the identity of its users, facilitating pickup and payment of items has been considered more secure than platforms like Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist. In 2021, the network reported that 1/4 of the items listed are free. So you can sell your goods and/or services and get free stuff and potentially turn that around for a profit as well. Start thinking of things you do every day that someone might need help with. You might have neighbors who need their driveways plowed when the snow season hits. You also might have neighbors who need help with handy work around their home. How about neighbors who aren't techie and need help with devices and syncing them? What about hairstylist? Sell your service. I know right now a woman who sells a hair braiding service on the app. For working moms who might not have the time to style their kids' hair. The ideas are really all around you. It's up to you to take advantage of them. Do we need to say any more? This is a no-brainer. Download the app now. The link is below. Drive obtainable outcomes by creating meaningful connections with your services through a selected audience. You can do this. If you have learned something new today, we kindly ask you to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell to receive updates. Thanks for watching. We will see you on the next one.